Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this DTI tutorial, I'm going to reveal the ultimate goddess hair combo that will have you looking like you just descended from the heavens. So whether you're channeling Greek goddess vibes, ethereal queen energy, or a celestial body, this hair combo is your shortcut to looking otherworldly. So let's just start the guide to the perfect goddess hair blend. So first in here, I'm going to go to the updo hair category and put on this hair first. And for the color, I'm going to use this green color. This is the hex code, and copy it or use it if you want to. And next, still on the updo hair category, put on this hair in here. Use the same color, and here I'm going to lower the scale into around 30. And next, go to the masculine hair category and put on this wavy hair. What is it? This one. And next, on the updo hair category, put on this too, but only use the bangs for both of them. And last one, on the feminine hair category, find this hair and color it the same. And that's it. So this is the final look of the ethereal or goddess hair for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.